join my Key to Gold channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get the latest video update.
Which state government approved a hike in financial assistance under the Ashirwad scheme from Rs 21,000 to Rs 51,000 per beneficiary? The correct answer is option D, Punjab. The Punjab cabinet approved a hike in financial assistance under the Ashirwad scheme from Rs 21,000 to Rs 51,000 per beneficiary with directions to clear all payment backlog under the scheme. Recently, which state government has launched the Corona Warriors scheme? The correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the state government has launched the Corona Warriors scheme. Which state government has signed 2 MOUs with Bhutan and Nagaland for procurement of oxygen? The correct answer is option D, Assam. Assam government has signed 2 MOUs in Guwahati with Bhutan and Nagaland for procurement of oxygen. Which state has launched a 24/7 dedicated helpline at COVID-19 War Control Room to provide real-time COVID-19 related facilities to the people? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the District Disaster Management Authority, Srinagar has launched a 24/7 dedicated helpline at COVID-19 War Control Room to provide real-time COVID-19 related facilities to the people. Recently, State Bank of India allocated how much amount towards the fight against COVID-19? The correct answer is option D, Rs 71 crore. The country's largest lender SBI announced allocating Rs 71 crore towards the fight against COVID-19, a part of which will be used to set up a makeshift 1000 bed hospital for the treatment of patients in some of the worst affected states. Recently, he was named as 4th Deputy Governor of RBI. The correct answer is option D, T. Ravi Shankar. Reserve Bank of India Executive Director T. Ravi Shankar has been named as the 4th Deputy Governor of the Central Bank. Who was appointed as new Chief Secretary of Bihar? The correct answer is option D, Tripurari Sharan. Senior IAS officer Tripurari Sharan has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Bihar. Which state is building forest ponds to harvest rainwater to replenish groundwater? The correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Forest ponds are being constructed in Himachal Pradesh to check the depletion of groundwater and to harvest rainwater. Recently, Reserve Bank of India imposed a monetary penalty of Rs 3 crore on which bank for violating certain norms? The correct answer is option C, ICICI Bank. The Reserve Bank of India imposed a monetary penalty of Rs 3 crore on ICICI Bank for certain rule violations. Recently, former Governor Jagmohan of which state passed away? The correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Former Union Minister and former Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Jagmohan passed away in New Delhi. He was 94. When is International Firefighters Day observed? The correct answer is option A, on 4th May. International Firefighters Day is observed each year on 4th May. Who has been appointed as Director of Indian Institute of Rice Research? The correct answer is option D, Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. Raman Meenakshi Sundaram has been appointed as Director of Indian Institute of Rice Research, an arm of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Which state government has launched Ayurvedic telemedicine facility for corona patients? The correct answer is option B, Haryana. Haryana government has launched Ayurvedic telemedicine facility for corona patients. Health Ministry Anil Vij said that any patients that can consult the Ayurvedic doctors on phone by dialing 1075. Which state government has launched dedicated COVID-19 Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp Helpline 1100? The correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur launched dedicated COVID-19 helpline Mukhyamantri Seva Sankalp Helpline 1100 for facilitating the people regarding COVID-related issues in Shimla. When is World Athletics Day observed? The correct answer is option A, on May 7. World Athletics Day is being celebrated on May 7 to promote the participation in sports among our youngsters. Niti Ayoga, in partnership with which company, released a report titled Connected Commerce, Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat? The correct answer is option B, MasterCard. Niti Ayoga and MasterCard released a report titled Connected Commerce, Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat. Recently, which union territory became Har Ghar Jal Union Territory by ensuring every rural home gets a household tap connection? The correct answer is option B, Puducherry. Puducherry has become the Har Ghar Jal Union Territory by ensuring that every rural home gets a household tap connection. Which company launched Saavdhan Rahe Safe Rahe, a public awareness campaign on financial fraud risks? The correct answer is option D, Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv launches Saavdhan Rahe Safe Rahe across digital and social media platforms to educate customers and public at large on financial fraud risks and how to stay protected. Who has been elected to the prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in original research? The correct answer is option A, Shankar Ghosh. Shankar Ghosh, an award-winning Indian origin immunologist, has been elected to the prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in original research. When is National Technology Day observed? The correct answer is option A, May 11. May 11 is observed as the National Technology Day. This day marks the anniversary of Pokhran nuclear tests of 1998 and India's technological advancements in this space. Which company has announced the launch of COVID-19 Vaccine Finder, an integrated platform to help citizens check the availability of vaccination slots on its mini app store? The correct answer is option B, Paytm. Digital payments platform Paytm has announced the launch of COVID-19 Vaccine Finder, an integrated platform to help citizens check the availability of vaccination slots on its mini app store. Which bank announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India? Correct answer is option D, Jan Small Finance Bank. Jan Small Finance Bank announced the launch of I Choose My Number feature for all its customers across India. Who has been sworn in as new NASA administrator? The correct answer is option C, Bill Nelson. Former Florida Senator Bill Nelson was sworn in as 14th head of NASA, hailing a new day for space exploration as the United States seeks to return to the moon. Recently, who was appointed as new executive director of RBI? Correct answer is option D, Josh J. Couture. The Reserve Bank of India appointed Josh J. Couture as executive director with effect from 4th May 2021, the central bank said. Who has been appointed as new CMD of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited? The correct answer is option A, Arun Kumar Singh. The Public Enterprises Selection Board, the government's headhunter, has picked Arun Kumar Singh as the chairman and managing director of state-run oil refining and marketing firm Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Which state or union territory police launched COVID Van helpline for senior citizens amid COVID surge? The correct answer is option A, Delhi. Delhi police has launched a helpline number for senior citizens who are struggling with their essential needs amid COVID-19. Which became the first state to launch online flood reporting and information management system? The correct answer is option A, Assam. An online flood reporting and information management system was launched in Assam which faces severe deluge every year? Which state developed Tika web portal for systematic vaccination of people? The correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Making COVID vaccination registration quick, convenient and hassle-free, the Chhattisgarh government has developed a web portal CG Tika for systematic vaccination of people in the age group of 18 to 44 years. This web portal developed by CHIPS was launched by Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagle. Which state launched My Village Corona Free Village campaign which helped in checking COVID-19 in rural areas? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Gujarat, Maru Gaon Corona Mukt Gaon or My Village Corona Free Village campaign launched by the state government has helped in checking the spread of COVID-19 in rural areas. Recently, which state government announced that it will bear education expense of the children who have lost parents to COVID-19? The correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh government said it will bear education expenses of the children who have lost parents to COVID-19. The state government has decided to launch the Chhattisgarh Mahatari Dulhar Yojana for such children, which became the first state to join Global COVAX Alliance to procure anti-COVID vaccines. The correct answer is option C, Punjab. Facing an anti-COVID vaccine shortage, the Punjab government decided to join the Global COVAX Alliance, sourcing the immunization shots at the best price. Who was crowned as the 69th Miss Universe 2020? The correct answer is option D, Andrea Meza. Miss Mexico Andrea Meza was crowned as the 69th Miss Universe in the Seminole Hard Rock Hollywood Hotel, or famously known as the Utah Hotel in Florida. Recently, which state declared black fungus as a notified disease in the state? The correct answer is option A, Haryana. Haryana Health Minister Anil Vij said that black fungus has been declared a notified disease in the state. Which state launched Hit COVID app to ensure regular monitoring tracking of home isolated patients? The correct answer is option A, Bihar. Bihar government launched Hit COVID app to ensure regular monitoring and tracking of those COVID-19 patients who are in home isolation across the state. India's first agricultural export facilitation center was launched in which city? The correct answer is option B, Pune. The Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture has launched India's first agro-export facilitation center in Pune in collaboration with National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Which state to provide free medical consultation at home through Vaidhi Aapke Dwara Yojana? The correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. The Department of Ayush in Madhya Pradesh launched the Vaidhi Aapke Dwara scheme, through which free Ayush medical specialists can be consulted through live video call from home. When is International Day Against Homophobia, Biophobia and Transphobia observed? The correct answer is option D, on May 17. The International Day Against Homophobia, Biophobia and Transphobia is observed on May 17 across the world. When is International Tea Day observed? The correct answer is option D, on May 21. International Tea Day is celebrated all across the world on May 21. When is World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development observed? The correct answer is option A, on May 21. Every year on May 21, the World Day for Cultural Diversity of Dialogue and Development is observed globally. When is National Anti-Terrorism Day observed? The correct answer is option A, on May 21. The National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed in India on May 21 to commemorate the death anniversary of former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. When is National Endangered Species Day observed every year? The correct answer is option A, 3rd Friday of May. The National Endangered Species Day is celebrated on the 3rd Friday of May every year. This year, National Endangered Species Day was observed on May 21, 2021? When is World Thyroid Day observed? The correct answer is option D, on May 25. World Thyroid Day takes place on 25th May each year. Recently, who chaired the 74th World Health Assembly? The correct answer is option D, Harshvardhan. Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Chairman of WHO Executive Board, Dr. Harshvardhan chaired 74th World Health Assembly in virtual mode. Which organization proposed $50 billion plan to vaccinate everyone by mid-2022? The correct answer is option A, IMF. The International Monetary Fund or IMF proposed a $50 billion plan to end the COVID-19 pandemic with a target of vaccination at least 40% of the world's population by the end of 2021 and the remaining 60% by the first half of 2022. Recently, world's largest iceberg breaks off from which place? The correct answer is option A, Antarctica. An enormous iceberg, a little bigger than the state of Rhode Island, has broken off of Antarctica. Who is the author of book The Spiritual CEO? The correct answer is option D, S. Prakash. The book titled The Spiritual CEO, penned by Secretary of Heartfulness Institute S. Prakash, has been released. The book was published by Westland Publication. Which company launched She to promote entrepreneurship, education and well-being of women? The correct answer is option C, Tata Communications. Tata Communications, a global digital ecosystem enabler, has announced the launch of the School of Hope and Empowerment, She, at the 2021 UNESCO World Conference on Education for Sustainable Development. Recently, the Sports Ministry has given its approval to open how many Khelo India centers across 7 states in the country? The correct answer is option B, 143. The Sports Ministry has given its approval to open 143 Khelo India centers across 7 states in the country with a total budget estimate of Rs 14.30 crore. Which organization to send its first mobile robot to search for water on the moon in 2023? The correct answer is option A, NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has announced its first mobile robot to the moon in late 2023. The rover will search for ice as well as other resources on and below the lunar surface. Who was appointed as new director of Central Bureau of Investigation? The correct answer is option D, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. IPS officer Subodh Kumar Jaiswal took charge as director of the CBI, officials said.
If you like this video, give a like to my video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.